Hello, lip balm lovers. I know how irritating it is to dig for a lip balm in a crowded bag. So, today, let's crochet this cute and very easy lip balm holder together. With this, you'll always have your lip balm handy whenever you need it. To make this lip balm holder, I'm taking cotton yarn. This is weight 3 or DK weight yarn, cotton yarn in two colors. So we will first start with the base and then the hat. We will start with the magic ring. To make a magic ring, hold your yarn like this. Wrap the yarn around your two fingers and hold it with this finger. Now you can see a nice egg shape formed here. Take your hook, insert your hook underneath this yarn and slowly pull the other yarn to this side and then take this working yarn through this loop. So this finishes magic ring. After making a magic ring, we will make 3 chain. So 1, 2, 3. After making 3 chains, we will make 14 double crochet inside this magic circle. Don't consider this 3 chain as your first double crochet. So to make a double crochet, yarn over once, insert your hook inside the magic circle, yarn over, pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the next 2. Again second one, third one, and so on. So make 14 double crochet inside this magic circle and I'll meet you at the end of row 1. After making 14 double crochet, pull the tail of the magic ring and now we will slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. So you can see this is the 3 chain and this is the first double crochet. On top you can see this chain here. There we will slip stitch. Insert your hook, grab a loop and make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. For row 2, we will make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After making 4 chains, we will skip the very first chain. So at the base of this 4th chain, you can see this chain gap here. We will skip that and the next chain here only in the back loop. So you can see in this chain, this is the front loop and this is the back loop. Only in the back loop we will make double crochet. So for that, yarn over once, skip this into the next chain only in the back loop, make a double crochet. So after making a double crochet, we will chain 1 and again skip the next chain here into the next chain. Only in the back loop we will make one more double crochet. Chain 1 and skip the next chain into the next chain. Only in the back loop we will make a double crochet. So we are right now making this part. So after making a double crochet, chain 1. After chain 1, skip this chain into the next chain only in the back loop. Only in the back loop make a double crochet. Again after making a double crochet, chain 1. So between every double crochet make one chain space. So after making a chain 1, we'll skip this stitch and into the next stitch we will make a double crochet. Again chain 1, skip this, into the next chain, make a double crochet, chain 1, skip this, and into the last chain here we will make last double crochet. After that you chain 1. You can see this is the fourth chain we made at the beginning of row 2. So in that, this is the first chain, second chain, third chain. We will slip stitch into the third chain. Slip stitch. So this completes second row. For row 3, we will again make 4 chains. 3, 4. After making 4 chains, yarn over. So on top of this double crochet, you can see a chain gap here. There we will make our double crochet. Again, after making a double crochet, as usual, make one chain, and on top of the next double crochet we have a chain here. There make one more double crochet. Again chain 1, on top of the next double crochet you can see a chain. There make one more double crochet, chain 1, on top of the next double crochet make one more double crochet. So repeat the same, make one double crochet on top of every double crochet again, and don't forget to make one chain between every double crochet. So after that make one more double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then make last chain here, chain 1, and into the third stitch. So this is the first chain, second chain, third chain. Into the third chain here we will make a slip stitch. So this completes row 3. For row 4 we will make 4 chains again and yarn over and make your first double crochet on top of the first double crochet here. Don't split the yarn. After that make one chain and make next double crochet on top of the next double crochet of previous row, and chain 1, make your next double crochet on top of the next double crochet. So we will repeat the same 6 times. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my lip balm size. So for this I'm making 6 times. So if you want to make for a longer lip balm or lipstick, you can go ahead and make 1 or 2 extra rows to match the height. So keep repeating the same. After making a double crochet, we will chain 1 and make one more double crochet on top of the next double crochet of the previous row. So again chain 1 and continue. Repeat this 6 times and I'll meet you at the end of row 7. I made 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It fits exactly to my lip balm size. Say suppose if you have a longer lip balm or a lipstick like this, then you need to go ahead and make 1 or 2 extra rows to fit that size. So in that case you will repeat 2 more rows and then make this hanging. We are now making this hanging. So we will make 55 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, make 55. So I made 55 chains. If you see, this is the length of the hanging. If you want a longer hanging, you can go ahead and make few more chains and then pull this loop a little lengthier and keep this aside. Once we make the hat, then we will attach that hanging with the hat. Now we are making the hat. So for that I am taking this color. We will make a magic ring first. After making a magic ring, we will make 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. After making 3 chains, we will make 16 double crochet inside this magic circle. So this 3 chain does not count as your first double crochet. So make 16 double crochet inside this magic circle. This is the second one. So repeat the same and make 16 double crochet and I'll meet you at the end of row 1. So you can see I made 16 double crochets and now pull the tail of the magic ring and then slip stitch as usual on top of the first double crochet. So this completes row 1. For row 2, we will make 3 chains again. So 3 chains. After making 3 chains, we will make 1 double crochet in every stitch or in every chain gap, only in the back loop. So I will show you. Yarn over once, insert your hook only in the back loop of the very first chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops, pull through first 2, pull through next 2. Again into the next chain only in the back loop. Again into the next chain only in the back loop. Into the next chain only in the back loop. So repeat the same. Make total of 16 double crochet around and I'll meet you at the end of row 2. So you can see I made 1 double crochet in every chain gap only in the back loop. You can see the front loops here. So after making the last double crochet, we will as usual slip stitch on top of the very first double crochet we made at the beginning of this row. So this completes row 2. For row 3, we will chain 1. This is a turning chain. So in this row, we will make single crochet in every chain. So make your first single crochet into the next chain, one more single crochet into the next chain, one more single crochet into the next chain, one more single crochet. So make one single crochet in every chain and I'll meet you at the end of row 3. So I'm almost at the end of row 3. I just need to make one more single crochet. After that, we will slip stitch on top of the very first single crochet. So this is the turning chain. This is the first single crochet on top. You can see a chain gap there. We will make a slip stitch. So after that, make chain 3 and slip stitch into the next chain. Again, chain 3, slip stitch into the next chain. 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 So repeat the same around and I'll meet you at the end of row 4. You can see I'm almost at the end of row 4. I just need to make the last chain 3 and slip stitch in the next chain. So after that, cut your yarn and slowly pull the yarn out. Now we will attach this to the hat. For that, leave a lengthy loop here. And now insert your hook between any two double crochet and pull this loop with the chains. And now count 8 stitches, 8 double crochets, because we made 16 double crochet in this row. So off of that would be 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we will insert our hook, leave a lengthy loop here and insert your hook from the inner part of the hat and slowly take this loop, pull it towards the other side, and then exactly opposite to this we have a chain here. There we will make a slip stitch. After making a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut your yarn. Now take the yarn that is attached to your yarn ball and take this also. We will weave this tail. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.